Hello and welcome to the second part of the demo. After the installation is done, go to the application. Here you will find two objects, contestants as well as Jackpot administrator. In the contestants, you can add the different participants just by entering the name. For example, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4 and test 5. Suppose we have only 5 contestants right now, and this is the tab where the administrator can set up the username and password to log into the instance. Suppose if it is left blank, I'll show you what happens. Go to setup, go to the site which you have created for the people to access. Open the site. This is the interface which the user as well as the admin will see. Here we have a panel for the administrator to log in. Suppose if no login has been set up here in this tab, then the default login will be username will be admin and the password will be password. If you sign in, it will allow you to sign in. But if you go to this tab and create a new password and username, say username is administrator and password is pass, for instance, if you save this record, then the username password for this site will change to administrator and pass. Suppose you try to log in using the default password, it won't allow you. It will say invalid username or password. So only the authenticated username and password would allow you to enter. What was the password which was set? It was pass. Okay, so sign in. So only the admin can sign in, and he will see the option, the button to pull new winners. So right now we have 5 people, 5 contestants that are taking part in the draw, which are named as test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever the admin will click this button, a new user will generate automatically. And to show that, I'll open this site in different browsers. So in this browser, I'll see the view of the users, what they'll see on the real-time scenario, and in this browser, this is the admin part which admin will see after logging in. So when the admin clicks on the poll button, the animation shows up that the new winner has been announced, and the name of the winner is shown in the latest poll name. If you see here, the latest poll name is test 1 and the second latest poll name is not available right now, and the time of draw is also mentioned here. And if you see on the other side, on the client side, this has been updated on a real time. It will show a display animation also, which I'll show you by keeping both the windows side by side. So once the admin clicks the button, a new winner is announced. Similarly, if you see the client's window, the animation will show up automatically saying that the new winner has been announced. And randomly a winner is polled. So the latest polled winner is test 3 and the second latest winner is test 1. Similarly, here you will have 20 current winners' name. You can poll as many as person you want, but the latest 20 will be shown up here in the table. For example, click one more. Also test 5 is the winner. And similar animation will be shown on the client side window. So coming to the coding part, for this functionality to achieve, I have built a Visualforce page which is used on the sites and a controller for it. Jackpot is the name of the Visualforce page, and you can see that it is well commented. Every line has a comment which is self-explanatory, so every functionality is pretty much explained with the comments. Similarly with the controller class, which is the Jackpot controller, I have commented each and every line so that it's easy to understand the functionality. And the test coverage is attained up to 100%, and I'll show you the test class also, which is Jackpot controller test. I have efficiently used the assert statements to check the limits, start the test, test start and test stop, and assertions are used wherever it is possible, and the comments are mentioned for every line. Thank you for watching. अब इंस्टॉलेशन कोई बनाना है.